Hola, this is Mufana Soul, and welcome to my YouTube page. Now, recently, I got approached by this company and they needed a voiceover ad. Voiceovers. And I did oblige. And this is what I did for them, and they kind of like liked it. If you like it, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more Mufana Soul stories and content and a lot of things. One love.
Jumia anniversary sale is back with over 50% off on items. Download the app. Jumia kila kitu kila siku.
One thing, when you get jobs, don't forget to give me the jobs. You can miss subscribing and all that stuff, but please give me the jobs. Give me the voiceover jobs.